Good morning, guys. Look how they are collecting fish with the net beside the Sampaboti Canal. Sampaboti Canal in na. This Sampaboti Canal is located in under the Chirang district, and the name of this place is Mazaiga in the Bego. Sampayan Kaidana. Sampaboti, guys. Look what a lot of sticks in it. Look, lot of sticks catching with the net at this river. Look. Konne sarnaw naine lot of sticky. Wow. Look. They are very expert and they are the Boro people and they know how to chasing the fish. Wow, look guys. What a beautiful river, guys. Look. In the early morning we are just coming to buy fish and they are the supplier. Look guys. Look guys, another man also netting. Look guys, look. Nangdeng na khơi. Nangdeng hoi nơi. Ma xin nubiang. Look guys. They all are the fishermen. Look guys. Wow, look. Bisang munbabu jai thonaga. Only sticky and Navala would say, lot of. Look, guys, look. Half been up on look, they are very expert. Look, guys, look. Anyway, guys, thank you. Till then.